So we're breaking out the jacks today. Not messing with that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this Mustang pulled up, and we're gonna swap out these brakes and paint the calipers, I guess, while I got everything off. So it's a Mustang day. All right, so wheels are up, and again, best money ever spent. And this is just with the short blocks, so not even the long ones. But yeah, wheels are up, so time to take them off and get these new brakes put on. You ever been working on the car and then you look up and you see somebody staring at you? Yeah, not really what I was expecting. Yeah, so we got a, I'm guessing there used to be some sort of bump stop, but yeah, got a lot of dirt to clean up on this thing. But at least these are gone and these pads will be gone. But yeah, whole lot to clean up. It's pretty ugly under here. Tired. But so two of these on, well, yes, both wheels on this side was kind of seized on there, so had to knock them with this hammer a little bit to break them loose, but got them off. I said it's a whole lot to clean up. But yeah, I'm gonna knock off some of this dirt under here. Yeah, you can see all that grime. Let's spray all of this with WD-40, like everything. So let it soak for a minute and got to hitting with this hammer, but I'm tired. So wheels are off. This stud is broke, so I never really paid attention to it before. So I have to get another stud before I get finished with everything. But that's something for another day. So I can go ahead and today I'm just focusing on doing these brakes. So gonna have new calipers. I mean, not calipers, new rotors, new pads, drilled and slided all the way around. And suspension will be sometime later. I'll probably do suspension once I get the body together. But yeah, let's go ahead and clean this stuff up a little bit. So just wiped a little bit of dirt off from under there. But new brakes, Detroit axle, drilled and slided everything. Get me a knife and pop this open. I don't even know what that is, but new pads, front and back. There we go. So fresh rotors, which will be way better than this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get going. Halfway done with the brakes. Front brakes are on both sides. I've been kind of wiping off the dirt and spider webs and all of that around the calipers. So just to kind of clean them up a little bit before I can clean them for real. But about to get this one off. These back calipers over here, I forgot I did a Mustang the other day and didn't record. But these have the little twist in caliper, so you gotta do that, which sucks. But I got this little thing that I did another video on it. I'll link to that. But yeah, I got this Advanced Auto or AutoZone, one of them. But you basically just put this with these little notches into the grooves in that, and then you twist it. So put it in like so, and then you just twist it with a ratchet. But yeah, about to go ahead and get that. And this got this whack little clip right here, so I had to pop this off so I can get the rotor off. And I don't know if this side is the same way. Nope. So they just put one over there for some reason. So I'll go ahead and get this stuff loose, and I can get all the brakes on and start cleaning this thing and maybe paint these calipers today. The back rotors are on. I'm struggling real hard on this compressing this in because it's real seized up from just being old, and I don't know where I put the little tool, but wherever it is, it ain't turning good enough. It keeps slipping, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the. There we go. It didn't work on this power tool, so just a heads up. But it's not holding enough pressure against it, so I'm gonna go get the little. It's something that kind of like a C-clamp, but it's basically gonna press against the back of this right here, and then press forward against that. So that way, it's always gonna be constant pressure on it, so it can't come loose. So I'm gonna go grab that. Got a little AutoZone gift card came in the other day from a rebate, so I'll go ahead and spend this. But time to run to the store, and I'll be back. Running out of time tonight. I had to put the old pads back in because I couldn't get this thing to compress using this. So, and AutoZone didn't have the thing I was looking for at the moment, so taking a break for the night. So put the old pads back in for now. Rotors are good on both sides. The front is done. So I'm just gonna come back. Probably won't be tomorrow, probably in a few days, but I'll come back, try to compress this thing again, and then once I get that, I can put these new pads in. And once I get the new pads in, then I can go ahead and clean these and paint them. So that'll be another day. I'm done for the night. So yeah, gotta get on some other stuff. But this is good enough for now. So I'll park this thing and I'll catch y'all whenever I get back to this.